What's going on, guys? It's over at Hype 23 here to try to give you guys another pickup unboxing that I got from eBay. This pickup I actually got, was actually looking for a very long time. It's actually an OG pair, and hell, let's just get right into it. Alright. Let's got the box. Alright. Yep. Had a Nike box. Just do it. Size 9. See how it is. Boom! It's a OG 1996 Jordan Bred XIs. Get out the other box. I mean the other shoe. Said it was dead stock. Actually, oh, that's dirt or what? But hardly any creases right here. The Jumpman. Let's check it out. Nike Air still intact. Pretty amazed. See this. You guys can see it. Nike Air is still intact right there. Yep, size 9. OG Jordan 11s. So one of my Grails of all time. Oh, well, that's my pickup, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. You know, this is probably one of the, what is that? It's probably one of the best pickups that I got. So this will definitely be in my Elite Grail or add on to my collection. Yep. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram over to Hype 23, and I'm out. Peace.